Hello everyone, it is great to meet you all again. So we have been speaking about obesity since quite some weeks now. Now we've understood what exactly obesity is, why it occurs. When we start fighting with obesity and we start reducing weight, why do we keep going back to that weight? Our body, it literally feels like our body is pulling us back to that weight that we don't want. So we've understood why that happens also. We've spoken about set point, we've spoken about different hormones that play a role, our metabolism that plays a role, and we've also spoken about what are the genetic reasons and why our bodies are made to store up, right? Now that's a lot about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. So there is a good news. There are very simple things that you can do and you can lose weight. Yes, you heard me right. There are very simple things available. So normally your obesity management depends upon your sleep, your exercise, your water intake and your nutrition pattern. So yes, these are the 4 pillars of your health. So first is your sleep pattern or sleep hours and all of that. Second is your exercise. Third is your water intake. And fourth is your nutrition. So yes, when all these 4 pillars are standing really strong, that is when a platform your health is going to be standing steady and you're going to feel really fit and good about yourself. You'll not really have a lot of illness, diseases, you'll not have health issues, minor infections or any grave problems. Yes, all of it. So now let's start discussing 1 pillar at a time. Yeah? So today let's talk about sleep. How does sleep help our body lose weight? So firstly, sleep is very, very important because sleep is the time when your body repairs all the wear and tear that has happened in the whole day. So while we are awake and while we are doing our work, all the tasks of the whole day, there's a lot of wear and tear happening of our cells, of our internal organs and all of that. Internal organs are really functioning at their peak when they are continuously digesting, you're continuously on the move, you're doing a lot of activities, all your joints and muscles and digestive system, all is your respiratory system, your heart, your brain, everything is working, right? But when you sleep, that is when it's only the passive activity that is on. So it is only your internal organs that are now doing the other part of their work, which is healing themselves, which is repairing and regenerating and rejuvenating, which is very, very important. So a simple example that I give to my patients is if there is a wall, okay, and if you need to punch it 10 times to create a little dent or a small hole, then that is the kind of force it needs to create that dent, right? But if you don't repair that dent and that dent is carried forward to the next day, and next day you will just have to punch it 5 times to double that dent. Yes, you heard me right, and we all have experienced this, correct? So when there is a damage, if it doesn't get repaired or healed, then with a lesser power or lesser effort, you can increase that damage exponentially. So that is why our body tries to heal all the damage that has happened during the whole day. But then it doesn't get to do that when we are working, when we are really on our toes. That is why it does it during the night time, during the sleeping hours. Okay? So that is why sleep is very, very important. But I know you're thinking that, okay, this is one thing, but how is it going to help me lose weight? How is it going to take care of my obesity? So yes, while your body is doing all this repair of the wear and tear, your body is spending lots and lots of calories. Yes, you heard me right. Now that is the connection. So when you're spending a lot of calories, you're obviously burning a lot of fat. You are slimming yourself. So it's literally sleep and slim together. Yes, if you get a good sleep, good night's sleep, then that is going to help you in losing weight, in treating obesity, in fighting obesity, and making you fit and strong and slim. Yes, all of that. So how much calories and how much energy is spent during sleep? So let me tell you the calculation, and that's going to definitely blow your mind. So it is approximately 0.82 calories per kg per hour is how much body spends. Yes. So just imagine somebody of 80 kgs of weight. Okay, if your body weight is 80 kgs, then your body is spending 0.82 calories per hour per body weight. So let's just calculate how many calories per hour you will be spending. So let's multiply 0.82 with 80 kgs of weight, and the number comes to 65.6. And the number comes to 65.6 calories per hour. So while you're sleeping, your body is spending 65.6 kilocal per hour. And let's consider you're sleeping 7. Our body needs 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. And I know with the busy life and this fast-paced lifestyle that we all live, it gets difficult sometimes. So let's consider 7 hours on a lower end, correct? So your body is spending 65.6 kilocalories per hour for next 7 hours. Exactly. So multiply that 65.6 with 7 and the answer comes to 459.2 kilocalories per night. So that's like almost 460, nearing to 500 calories just by sleeping for 7 hours. Isn't that wonderful? Now you can calculate with your own body weight and know how many calories you are spending during your sleep. And once you know that, make sure you go to sleep on time and take a good night's sleep for 7 to 8 hours, because your body is really going to heal itself. You are also going to spend a lot of calories. All your hormones and chemicals are going to come to normal range, and that's going to really boost energy for your next day. So you're going to be more productive, you're going to be more strong to face whatever infections or whatever problems that come to you, because you've done the healing. Remember the wall? We have healed that dent. So now the next day's infection or next day's force has to again punch 10 times to create that small dent, not just 5 times to double it. Correct? So try taking 7 to 8 hours of sleep and be slim, lose weight, lose fat. Right? How wonderful is that? So I'll talk to you next week about our next pillar, that is exercise, and we will know how that helps and how we can maximize the effect. So till then, take care, take a good night's sleep and stay fit. Bye.